Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Siberia X headset. This is not a Siberia SteelSeries, this is the Siberia model. It's a complete different brand, of course. And the listing of this product on Amazon is from Jeecoo. I've never heard about this brand, but anyway, the cool thing is it's really cheap. It's at the moment listed for about $20 only, and it comes actually with everything you need. Here we see what you get. You get the USB plug. I think it's only used for the light, so you have it comes with some lighting, and it has this 3.5 millimeter plug, but it has also a PC extension cable. I think it's because most of the PCs are using separate jacks or plugs for headset and recording, but this is probably a mixed one. If you have just one plug, you probably will be able to use that. The good thing is it comes with an inline control and looking really good here. Here some more details, hope you can see that. The cool thing is it's supposed to work for PC, for the Xbox One, and for the PS4 as well. So here we can see some specification. What's usually interesting is the frequency range, which is 20 to 20,000 Hertz, which sounds really impressive. So the good thing why I'm interested in this headset is the reason because it doesn't require a USB port on your PC. That's usually the problem these days, because when they upgraded from USB 2 to USB 3, they reduced the amount of possible devices which you can use on a PC. So you have always, when you have too many devices, you get an error code on your PC. And how you can prevent that? The only way is to use other plugs than USB, and for example, that's the thing here, and this prevents from using too much USB devices. So I'm really interested into that. By the way, the sound which you hear now has not been recorded with this microphone. I mean, it's a headset with built-in microphone, but I'm going to test it now, and I'm going to wear it now, testing with gaming, and then you will hear the original sound from the microphone. So I'm taking it out of the box now for the first time. This is really a real unboxing. It's not a fake unboxing. It's the first time. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box. That's the microphone, the headset, well protected in this bubble wrap. You get probably some instructions. Your opinion matters. So some contact information, user guide. Okay, here's some instruction how to use that. Looks like, yeah, you have really different possibilities here. And yeah, so also you can see how you have to set it up on different devices, for example on the PS4. Here some Chinese thing. So yeah, how does it look in real? I mean, yeah, here we have also this cable. So here we have everything. Yeah, it's quite a decent size. This is not just a small thing. This is not a toy. This is full size. Yeah, it makes a really good impression so far. Here you can adjust the size on both sides. So you can see it's really heavy, sturdy. The thing is, the microphone is on the left side, so you cannot adjust that. You cannot put it down to this side. It can only be turned down to this side, so you have to wear it like this. But it has a nice angle, as you can see. It's not just straight. Maybe you can even bend it more. That looks really good so far. It has also a decent size. Sometimes they are really short, and then you don't have the microphone where you have the mouth, so that's a really good thing. You have this nice braided 5 feet cable, which lead to, yeah, first of course we have this control panel here. We can increase or lower the volume with this thing, so that's not just a button. You can do it really quickly, so that I really like. And the mute is also not just a push, but it's really a switch. So I really like this thing, how you can operate this thing. And here the cable goes into 2 parts. Here the USB, which you have to use for power. I think that's protected. Try to take this off. So it looks like this protection thing sits really tight. If you have trouble to remove it, grab a screwdriver and push it underneath and twist it, and then, yeah, a little bit more maybe. Yeah, it should be possible to remove that, but there's a decent amount of protection. I mean, if you don't use it, just leave the cap on. And same thing here with the 3.5 millimeter jack. There's also a protection here. And yeah, if you don't have this combined 3.5 millimeter jack with playback and recording same time, like say on a PC, you have this, you can use this adapter, push this here, and you can use these 2 separate plugs. So that's good so far. Yeah, what we have also, as you can see, we have a decent amount of cushion here on the top of the head. That's really super soft, as you can see, and also around your ears. That's not really thin, that's really heavy cushion, and that makes it really comfortable. So I'm going to wear it now, and I will see how comfortable it is, how the sound works, and how recording is with the microphone. But before we go to the sound test, I just wanted to show you the nice rainbow color LED. Yeah, it's called rainbow LED color, something like that. Problem is a little bit, it's still too bright to see it fully. It's a really nice red, green, blue, purple. So because it was a little bit difficult, I decided to go into a completely dark room and then make a picture with the camera, and this is what you see. So you see these really nice colors. It's not really 100% natural how it is in real. It is even a little bit stronger. So but anyway, everything what you hear from now on is the microphone, is the, yeah, that's just recorded with the original microphone from this headset which I'm using now. I'm having it on, and I have already tested the sound, and the sound is really good, I have to tell you. I mean, you cannot compare it to a microphone, I mean to a headset, or microphone from a headset for $100, and also the sound, I mean, it's really good. It has really a deep bass. I mean, for this price you absolutely cannot complain. It has a wonderful deep bass, and you can hear everything. Yeah, it's really awesome. But you cannot compare it to a $100 headset. I'm not going to argue with you that it's better than a $100 headset, but for the price, I mean, it's the best value for $20 or even for $30 if it goes up in price a little bit. That's definitely the best value which you can get for the money for sure, and it's even very comfortable. That's the great thing. It's really comfortable. I'm wearing it now since 10 or 20 minutes. I've been trying around a little bit, and it's absolutely comfortable. And I have at least L or XL head size, and usually it's really difficult for me to have a comfortable fit with my headset, and this really works for me absolutely awesome. It fits. I mean, the cushion is really outside of my ears. It doesn't put pressure on my ears. So the whole thing, the whole cushion is outside, and there's no pressure nowhere, not on the ears, not on the head, nowhere. The microphone is about, I would say, 1.5 inches away from my mouth. You can a little bit adjust, not too much, but a little bit, but I think it will definitely fit for 99% of all the people. There's nothing to worry that it will be in a completely wrong position, but you can adjust it definitely up and down. So yeah, what can I say? I mean, it looks like really the best value what you can get for about $20 or $30, and I can highly recommend it for anybody who is looking for a cheap gaming headset and still not compromising too much, especially when it comes to the microphone, which is really important when it comes to gaming. I mean, most manufacturers, when they produce microphones for headsets in this price range, they use really cheap microphones, and this one is much better. And yeah, you cannot go wrong with that thing. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.